Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the poem entitled Chaitanya composed by Arun Kolatkar. Guys, now introduction to the poem. The poem Chaitanya is an extract from Kolatkar's long poem Jejuri. Jejuri is a pilgrimage to the southeast of Pune. Chaitanya visited this in the early 16th century. Chaitanya belonged to Bengal. He was a saint. He undertook a religious journey from Bengal to almost all shrines of the country. He was the devotee of Lord Krishna. Later on, he was called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When he went to Jejuri, he desired that or he decided that the stones or he declared that the stones of his this place were as sweet as grapes. The holy scripture says about him that he suddenly put a stone in his mouth, and when he spat it out, the stone turned a holy god. This miracle was done by Chaitanya Deo, so this reference of Chaitanya has been described in this poem. So, guys, now the theme of the poem. The theme of this poem is based on devotion and faith on God. Though Kolatkar does not believe in God yet, in some part of his poem Jejuri, it seems to us that he believes in the existence of God. That is why he has given the reference of Chaitanya, a great devotee of God. So here it becomes confusing whether Kolatkar believes in God or not. He was a realist, so he did not believe in the myths. He believes in only real state of thing. In this extract entitled Chaitanya, the poet has tried to expose a situation related to belief, and he leaves it on the readers when whether they take this miracle of Chaitanya true or untrue. Now guys, background of Jejuri. Jejuri is a pilgrimage center of Maharashtra. It is situated to the southeast of Pune. Lakhs of people go to Jejuri every year on pilgrimage. The stones of this place are considered holy by the devotees. Hindus are idol worshippers. The stones of Jejuri are worshipped same as the stone of Giraj Parvat at Govardhan in Mathura district UP. It is said about the stones of Jejuri that every stone is God or his cousin. The deity who is worshipped at Jejuri is Khandoba. Now, guys, a note of Chaitanya. Chaitanya was God in Bengal. He was a holy and godly man who danced at the pilgrimage center. Later on, he came to know as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is also worshipped along with Lord Krishna by the Vaishnava. There are seats of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in many temples of Lord Krishna. Now, guys, poets visit to Jejuri. Arun Kolatkar also paid a visit to Jejuri. He reached there by bus. During his stay there, he saw gods, priests, men, beggars, and animals. He records his impressions in his long poem Jejuri. The poet finds that the temples at Jejuri are ruins and ill lighted, and the water supply is defective. The beggars are also there as they are found at every holy place. Now, the poem. The poem Chaitanya is based on a popular legend Chaitanya. Religious books tells us that he was a godly person who danced before the idol of Lord Krishna. Kolatkar writes in this poem that Chaitanya declared that the stones of Jejuri were as sweet as grapes. Chaitanya did a great miracle of turning a piece of stone into idol. Thus, this poem is based on Indian mythology. Now, finally, diction of the poem. The language of this poem is conversational and in the simple English of day to day life. It is written in free verse. It has not any rhyming. Even this poem does not follow the practice of beginning each line of the poem with capital letters. The simile in the first line, as sweet as grapes, is also very appropriate. On the whole, we can say that this is one of the greatest achievements of Kolatkar. So, guys, this is a very beautiful and short poem composed by Arun Kolatkar. You must read it out and enjoy it. Thank you.